This is where FusionX Electronic Trade Facilitation Platform, eTFP, comes in. Our aim is to make international trade easier and frictionless for everyone by enabling SMEs to overcome logistical, transactional, customs clearance, and financing hurdles, improving cross-border e-commerce infrastructure, promoting new trade rule dialogues between businesses and government service platforms, advancing best-in-class practices such as the cross-border e-commerce pilot zone. With FusionX eTFP, we will see a future that is simpler and more inclusive for cross-border trade, with custom clearances in under 3 hours, increased accessibility to regional and international e-markets, simplified processes to declare goods movement between ports, zones, and warehouses. FusionX eTFP is the e-commerce window to the world for everyone, and the preferred gateway of choice for global brands and marketplaces into the world. FusionX eTFP, empowering tomorrow's trade facilitation.